Goa government's special leave petition challenging the High Court's order dated 24th July directing Goa government to declare Mahadai Wildlife Sanctuary as Tiger Reserve is not listed before the Supreme Court for hearing today, that means on 10th November. Earlier in the computer generated listing system, it was tentatively listed for hearing today, that is on 10th November. But now when the final cause list has come, it is not listed for today. Original petitioner Goa Foundation has filed one application before the High Court pleading to issue notice to Goa government for contempt of court for not declaring the Mahadai Wildlife Sanctuary as Tiger Reserve within the time given by the High Court. On other side, an application is also filed by Goa government before the High Court pleading for extension for time to notify the Tiger Reserve. But the matter here is, if the Supreme Court has not granted stay on the High Court's order, then can High Court grant extension of time to Goa government? Now the High Court will surely hear this matter on 11th December. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.